Hello, my name is Gabe Gross. I'm a co-founder of RealBirds. In this short video, I will explain to you how Homes by SMS works. This is a service that we just launched that allows you to generate buyer leads using texting as a property search. Somebody walks by your sign that you posted in front of the house and they see this call to action. Text any location and then there's the phone number. Or you give them a business card with that call to action, or you send them a postcard by mail. Or they walk on a street and they see the advertising sign that you placed there. What happens then is they take out their cell phone and they put in the phone number from that sign, which is your texting number, and they text like they would text to anybody the location, either a zip code or a location as a street address or a city. In return, the system sends back a short message with a link in there, which is the results of that property search for that particular location. The consumer would click on it, and what appears on a cell phone is that property search showing the listings in that particular area. They can go now to any one of these listings, look at the details. In the meantime, though, you have received a lead because you get the caller ID of the person who has texted you. That lead will come to you by email or by text. I'll bring up my Outlook where I get my emails and I'll show you what that lead looks like. Here's my email. There's the lead. And voila, you get the phone number of the person, you get the link that that was returned to them. You also see what they have texted, in this case that zip code, and then below is the name of the person and whatever the caller ID company can supply to you in this package, sometimes their net worth, their address, even sometimes their relatives and their email. And this is what the link looks like for the agent, the same link that was sent to the consumer. So I can know what this person has texted for, and then I can follow up by calling him right away, asking him, hey, I saw that you texted this zip code. Are you interested to work with me? Let's get together and let me show you some properties. So to recap, here is what happened. First, the consumer has seen on the street a sign. The consumer takes the cell phone out and sends a text. That text contains the location. The agent receives the caller ID of the consumer, and the consumer receives back the link to the property search with the listings for that particular location. The consumer can view the property details, and you can call them and follow up and make him a great client of yours. What are your benefits? Well, first, texting is by far the preferred means of communication by young and old. It is also much simpler than to use web browsing or an app which they would have to download, or a web browser. You have to click on it, open it up, type in the domain name, do a search, save it, bookmark it, etc. Texting works for people with short attention spans, which is everybody. Homes by SMS is complementing what you have currently on your website and on your Facebook page because it works with texting and it's mobile and everybody texts. It's great both for sale and for rent lead generation, and you always get an actionable lead because you get the caller ID. You reduce the amount of junk leads because of course nobody texts unless they really want to get the information. One significant benefit for you is the caller ID. It gives you lots of information about the consumer so you know about him before you call. Homes by SMS is also useful for listing presentations. Be out of the box, shine in front of your competition. And it's low cost, only $100 setup and $45 a month, plus any MLS fees. But your job is to promote it. Post it everywhere, make people know you have it, and you will be successful. Thank you for your attention.